Hello guys, this is Rana from Branch Tech. Today we wanna talk about create a HTML form and PHP file to connect with MySQL database. We worked here step by step. First of all, create a HTML file and complete this. Then the PHP file can create a table into database which was created into my previous video. You can watch it if you need. Link in the description box. So let's start. As you can see in the display screen, I create a HTML file that's name is form.html. So we create HTML5 documents. So I type there doc type HTML. You can create this file from any source. That's not a big deal. But there is main point is create a PHP file and connect with MySQL database. We're creating a file for HTML form. We just create a file, but don't design here. You can design using CSS file or using style tag. For your kind information, we in the font tag we use color red because of we want to show this text in red color. Okay, so there we take 4 input: name, country code, phone number, and email address. So their main thing is name. It helps to connect with MySQL database, so don't make a mistake in name tag. And placeholder tag means it show up that in the box please enter your first name or other things what you want to show in this box. Guys, if the videos help you, please like, comment, share. And if you want to get like this types of video for future, you can subscribe my channel. You can skip this if you can. This is just a form file. You can find any types of CSS form type file from online. So guys, in the name tag, don't take white space. Guys, I tell you before, first of all, we work with form HTML file, because I was in some videos they work with mix, that makes too much problem, I think. Okay guys, so as you can see in the screen, I use button. Okay, as you can see in the screen, my file is ready. So I want to take the file in the center, so I use center tag. Okay, now times to create a HTML. I already created HTML file. Now it's time to create a PHP file. We name this file as action.php. Okay, so okay, we go back and now create a file and create a new file. That's name is action.php. This is a PHP file that helps to connect with MySQL database. Without using PHP file, we don't create or we don't connect with MySQL database. So follow the code. One more thing, we are using name tag, but when we use it in PHP file, we must use dollar sign, and dollar sign name is for HTML to PHP connection, and dollar post name tag is for MySQL database connection. Okay, before I tell you that I make a mistake, that's don't use white space. Okay, and also don't use hyphen. Someone makes mistakes in dollar underscore post, they type dollar post. For that, sometimes the connection or MySQL system don't work for this, so be careful about this. And one more thing, when you typing in PHP, then follow with your form file, the name tag must be same, otherwise the code does not work. Again guys, if you watching the video and this video help you, you can subscribe our channel. That's help you to find out new blog post, and I think that's good for you because you will get notifications if we upload a new video. And if the video really helps you, please subscribe, comment, like. And one more thing, I am new in YouTube and first time I work, so maybe the quality of the video and or voice has some problem or mistakes. Please forgive for this, ignore this. Okay, now it's time to connect with MySQL database. This is the connection. Okay, so follow on the screen. We use connection tag that helps to connect with MySQL database. So focus on the screen. And one more thing, when use this tag, must use new, because every time when we submit a file, that's using new space, otherwise don't work this. And first of all, we need localhost, then username or admin name, then we need password, database password, and database admin name. After all, we need database name. If you don't create this, you can watch my previous video in a link in the description box. Focus on the screen. When you type this code, must be careful, because one mistake can your file damage or just do not work. So they are using if tag for if the connection will failed, then the connection die and it show connection failed. The connection failed is show up on the screen if the connection failed. focus on the screen. Guys, this video, if the video will help you, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, and also like my videos. Okay guys, as you can see, we are using equal stack. If connection failed, then it's show up connection failed. If the connection work properly, then it's taking some steps for processing. First steps prepare, then bind parameter, and after all it's execute and taken the file. Okay, you can see they are using name, country code, number and email. And when you prepare working for this, insert into, this is the code for insert into table. And by the way, table name, there we use our table name which we create. I don't create, but I'll create when we work in PHP MyAdmin. Okay, and there we using values and questions mark for we don't know the value, it's taken the value. Okay guys, this is the second step, bind parameter. Follow this. SSS means strings. Normally we use just keyword like as capital and small letters and digits, so we use string as. If your code does not work, you follow this video again and again, because we will show you within this video with proof that codes really work. Guys, this is the third steps, execute. And under this parameter, I mean first bracket, it must be empty, and under the ISO file you can which you write, that's show up on the screen after submitted this file. Okay guys, so now we have to close the connection and the PHP file. Sorry guys for mistake of okay guys, now it's time to create database table into phpMyAdmin. Okay, wait here till the file will come. Okay, you can see there globally ran stack. This is my database, and now it's time to create a table into the database. Okay guys, we are taking their full files, but we are taking their 5 because one ID using auto increment, and this is the primary file. And the file types for ID is integer, and other all the tags, name tags which we used, that we set as varchar, and ID size okay, you can see we makes the ID file index as primary index file, and we are using AI, means auto increment. When they are get new files, the countdown start from 1 2 3 4 until n. Okay, name, we're using name, and name's length is 16 and ID length is 6. That's not a big deal, you can take any size. Country code maximum 5, and number maximum 20, and email maximum 120. Okay, now save the file. Sorry guys for the background noise. So now we change the localhost as localhost, and database name as ranstack, globally ranstack. and follow on the spelling. The database name and the file name must be same. So now we find out the username which we create in my previous video. You can see globally Randstack privileged user as username. Okay, as you can see, the username globally Randstack and password which we set. Okay, now we have to edit in the form.html file because we don't use there any action file or this file where we sent. So we have to given that location form action equal to action.php. The method must be post as you can see in the screen. And again, sorry guys for the background noise. Okay, cut the form last in form and paste it in the after bottom. Okay, now we plug the form and send it. Okay, name, enter your name, enter your country code as you can see in the screen, enter your mobile number, email, enter your valid email, okay guys, you can see on the screen I am writing email address, just it's a random email address and phone number. Okay, you use your original data, so submit. Okay, I think I make some mistake. Okay, let's take the action.php. Oh, I forget to change the table name. So you can see in the screen my form is my table name. So I copy this and paste there and now save. Okay, we submit the file. Okay, submitted successfully. That means the code is working good. So we open the my firm file and as you can see the file reached and we can see the ID, auto increment, name, Rana Bakery and country.